So this is my final predictions video for 2019. We're going to be looking at paper 3. Now, just like I said in the past two papers videos, these videos and predictions, are based on AS and A2 past papers and all the sample papers that AQA have for psychology. But please remember they are just predictions. You've got to revise every single topic in depth. I'm just hoping to give you some indication of what I think is going to come up. And for some of the topics, there's going to be an awful lot of essays because the specification is relatively new, so it's very hard to make predictions when so few questions have been asked in the past. Now, I only teach 3 options, so I'm only able to make predictions for gender, schizophrenia and aggression sections. I'm also going to put in my predictions for the issues and debates as well. We're going to start with the issues and debates. So the 16-mark essays, I think, could be on gender and culture in psychology, the nature-nurture debate, and idiographic and nomothetic approaches in psychology. So make sure you learn those. And for a 4-mark or above question, I think there could be something on holism and reductionism in there as well. For gender, we're looking mainly at 16-mark or 4-mark questions on the role of chromosomes and hormones. Didn't come up in this spec yet, hasn't come up in the previous psychology spec A either. Got Kohlberg's theory, gender schema, psychodynamic theory, and the influence of media and culture on gender. For schizophrenia, we're looking at 16 markers potentially on reliability and validity, the diagnosis and classification of schizophrenia. For cognitive behavioural therapy and family therapy used in the treatment, and also an essay potentially on the interactionist approach for explaining and treating schizophrenia. For a 4-mark question or above, I think there could be something on token economies used in the management of schizophrenia. For aggression, again, it's very hard to predict because there's not been many questions overall. But for a 16-mark or potential 4-mark and above question, we're looking at neural and hormonal mechanisms, genetic factors in aggression, the ethological explanation, institutional aggression, looking at dispositional and situational explanations, media influences on aggression, and also the role of desensitization, disinhibition, and cognitive priming. So there's a lot of different essays I think that could potentially come up. Good luck in your exam. Hope it all goes well. Remember, don't just rely on these predictions. Learn it all. I think these are the ones you should really make sure you focus your revision on as well. Good luck.